So here we are in your master shower. Now you're trying to think, oh, Brandon, my shower is not draining. So it might be start building up, water building up here. So how in the world would I clean out this linear drain? I'm used to the center one that's got some screws. Well, let me show you. That's the reason you got on our homeowner videos. I've happened to got my key in my hand. You could use a knife, anything sharp, catch that edge, pop it like this. You can't hurt it. It's stainless steel. And then you set that aside. This tray, this is a brand new house, but this tray may have some stuff you might want to just wash it out, use your sprayer, clean it out. But you'll have this little bit of catch right here, and it pops out. It's got two wings to it. You can see there's a little bit of dirt right here for us. We'll clean it out. Make sure we're getting rid of all the particulates in there. That's cleaned out. All you do, pop it back in. Then you take this grate. Easy does it. And that's how you clean that out. Easy peasy. If you ever got a question about it, make sure you hit us up. But hopefully that was a good explanation about how to do it. Use a key, use anything, a little knife, anything sharp. Just catch the edge, pop it up. You can't hurt it.